Gold is one of the most valuable metals on Earth. It is used in jewelry, money, electronics, and even space technology. But have you ever wondered where gold actually comes from? It does not just appear as shiny bars. Gold starts deep underground, hidden inside rocks and mountains. So how do we find it? How do we extract it? And how does dirty rock turn into pure gold bars? In this video, we are going to explain how gold is mined and refined in the simplest way possible. Where gold comes from. Gold forms naturally inside the earth over millions of years. Heat, pressure, and chemical reactions push gold into cracks in rocks. These gold deposits stay buried underground, sometimes deep below the surface, sometimes in rivers and streams. To get this gold, we need mining. Mining is the process of digging into the earth to remove valuable minerals, and that is where the journey begins. Step 1: Finding gold. Before mining starts, companies must first find gold deposits. Geologists study rocks and soil. They use maps, samples, and special machines to scan the ground. Sometimes they even use satellites and drones. If tests show gold is present, then mining can begin. Because digging randomly would waste time and money, so finding the right location is very important. Step 2: Mining the gold. There are two main ways to mine gold: surface mining and underground mining. Surface mining is used when gold is close to the surface. Large machines dig huge open pits. Excavators and trucks remove tons of rock and soil. Underground mining is used when gold is deep inside the earth. Miners dig tunnels and shafts to reach the gold veins. Both methods collect large amounts of rock that contain tiny pieces of gold. But at this stage, it is still just rock, not shiny gold yet. Step 3: Crushing the rock. After mining, the rocks are taken to processing plants. Here, giant crushers break the rocks into smaller pieces. Then the pieces are crushed into fine powder. This makes it easier to separate the gold, because gold particles are extremely small, sometimes almost invisible, so crushing helps release the gold from the surrounding stone. Step 4: Separating the gold. Now comes the important part: separating gold from the crushed rock. There are different methods used. One common method uses water and gravity. Because gold is very heavy, it sinks faster than other materials, so machines shake and wash the mixture. The heavier gold settles at the bottom. Another method uses chemicals like cyanide to dissolve gold from the rock. This process pulls the gold out and leaves waste behind. It may sound complex, but the goal is simple: keep the gold and remove everything else. Step 5: Refining the gold. At this point, the gold is not pure. It still contains dirt and other metals, so it must be refined. Refining usually involves extreme heat. Gold is placed in large furnaces. Temperatures reach over 1000 degrees Celsius. The metal melts into liquid. Impurities burn away or separate. Because gold is very dense, it collects at the bottom. Workers then pour the melted gold into molds, and when it cools, it becomes solid gold bars. These bars are often about 99.9% pure. The shiny gold bars you see in banks and movies start right here. Step 6: Where gold is used. After refining, gold is sent to different industries. Jewelry makers turn it into rings and necklaces. Banks store it as valuable assets. But gold is also very important in technology. It is used inside smartphones, laptops, and computers. Because gold is an excellent conductor of electricity and does not rust, so even your phone probably contains tiny amounts of gold, which is pretty amazing. So how is gold mined and refined? First, we find gold deposits. Then we mine the rock, crush it into powder, separate the gold, melt it in furnaces, and finally shape it into pure gold bars. From deep underground rocks to shiny metal, it is a long journey powered by science, machines, and technology. And that is how gold goes from the earth to the real world. If you enjoyed learning how gold is mined and refined, make sure to like this video and subscribe to TechSpark for more simple technology explained. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.